Hi everyone, we've got another video today where unfortunately someone doesn't treat me and my learner in the best of ways. Now the pupil, Liv, very kindly let me show this video. She did a brilliant job. She's a pretty early stage learner. She's in a nursery area. We're in Kirby Industrial Estate just doing a block of left turns. But there's something important about this clip as well that relates to one of my other videos that went out a few weeks ago. It's where we had another awkward situation with a learner, and a few of the viewers and subscribers and commenters said that maybe we could have reversed back. Well, this was pretty important to do in this situation, but I'd just like people to appreciate just how difficult that can be with certain stage learners. Liv did brilliantly. But let us know what you think in the comments about this group of fellas and how they acted towards the driving school. Happy with your hands and adjust them. The sun's a big problem, just close your eyes.
Okay.
Sorry.
Have you ever said that to anyone?
Absolutely.
Eyes?
So I've had someone say to me, well, I won't be able to see if I close my eyes. I ignored them. So just before the silver car we're again, I'm going to turn left. So okay. Which mirrors? Middle, left, off. Good. Signal definitely. Use your brake. Have a listen. Will it need to gear down? Yes, gear down then. Not too much brake. Clutch down, clutch down.
Sorry.
That's 4. Keep the clutch down. Clutch back up now and steer left. Look left, look left, look left, look left. Off all the pedals, slow it down, clutch down and stop, clutch down and stop, clutch down and stop.
Sorry,
okay.
I don't know what happened.
It's alright, relax. Put it in first gear. Good. Move forward then, move up. Move forward, come, move forward, go on the gas, a little bit of bite. What's up, buddy? Tell him to move it, push it.
Can't push it, it's auto.
Seriously, are you trying to wind me up?
Really?
You can't push an automatic.
No, we can't.
Tell him to put it in neutral.
We can't. What's just gone on?
So, within the last 2 minutes, he's come round there, stopped there and broke down?
Well, I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know. You're trying to kid a kid there. Come on.
Listen, I've told you, it's broke down, so...
Okay. Alright, press the clutch.
Okay.
Put it in reverse gear, which is neutral.
Neutral.
Good, move it all the way across towards me.
Yep.
Even further.
Oh.
And then up. Well done. Alright, so we're going to check around the car. Make sure there's no one about. Good. Set the gas. And find a little bit of bite. Look behind us to where we're going, because we're going to go this way. Lift the clutch to the bite.
Do I keep looking this?
You do, yeah. Good, clutch down a little. Clutch down. Stop a second again with the brake. Good. Well done, Liv. Well listened. Put it in first gear now. Now move forward. Okay. Keep us away. Broke down my... Okay, good. Well done. Into second. That's how people deal with driving schools.
Oh my god. I just went backwards.
You did well. Good.
Oh
Find
my
somewhere
God.
to park in on the left. Well done. Straight. Straight. You still need to roll for longer lift.
Yeah.
Alright, secure your car. Cool. Relax, well done. Good, good little reverse. Alright. Do you think they were broke down?
No.
Absolutely not. They were just being awkward,
Yeah.
weren't they?
Yeah.
And that shows exactly what's what. But think about the situation. What did it get you to do? I know you've never reversed before,
Yeah.
but you were doing a good job. Where did it get you to check before you went?
To where we were going, to what was
Good.
behind us.
Everywhere and where we were going.
Yeah.
Good. Did you notice as you started to move off as well that you found the bite and then you lifted more? And what happened to the speed?
We went faster.
Excellent. So going back to what we were saying before at the junction, actually the one that was in front of us,
Yeah.
what did we say that you can do to slow the car a little?
To put the clutch on.
Good. Not fully,
But
just
more.
a pressure, just a little.
Yeah.
Because remember, lifting the clutch gives you more drive,
Yeah.
pressing it
Usually
takes it
less.
away. Good. So if you ever go too fast when you're at that gas and bite scenario, just literally dip the clutch a little.
Yeah.
Alright? No problems. That was really good. That's just typical of how people treat driving schools,
I didn't realise it was that bad.
on how people are towards them.
Yeah.
Do you see where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
Okay. But that's how it is. Notice it's not worth ever getting into an argument with
No.
people and whatever, but I'm not stupid.
No.
It's not come round there and broke down.
No. They were parking up when we went past them.
I know.
I saw them.
I know. He thinks I'm stupid.
Yeah.
But one of those things. But it was a good little experiment for you to have a little go at reversing for the first time, wasn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
super.
wouldn't have done that for. I'd have been really scared to do that otherwise.
Okay,
So.
all right. And it was going to be pretty awkward with where we were reversing as well. We
Yeah.
were going to have to reverse out onto a main road,
Yeah.
or near as damn it. What I was
Yeah.
actually going to do was get you to reverse a little bit round the corner, then we were going to go forward to the right and just go round the other way.
Yeah.
But it was a pretty dangerous situation. If you
Yeah.
think on what we explained before about if we're coming round that corner and someone's coming the other way
Yeah.
and already committed, what were we prepared to do?
Yeah.
We were prepared to wait, weren't we?
Yeah.
All right, sound. So we did that at that far end. And did you hear when I beat the horn?
Yeah.
What did he do?
Beat
back. Do you see where I'm coming from?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, and that's how people are. So don't ever be intimidated by anything. Do the correct things, but always be the one who can go, sod you. I'll reverse, I'll sort it out, I'll fix your problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so no worries at all. But that was a pretty good job. All right, you listened really well as well, so no issues with that. Any questions on any part of that? Sliding your hands and taking off early and slowly is good. Come on, let me hear those hands sliding. Take off early and slowly now. And now off we go. Wasn't that better because you did actually slide your hands a bit more? Yeah, that was good. Well done. Well done. What was wrong with that gear change?
I didn't have the clutch fully down.
It was the right foot.
Oh.
You were on the right foot. That's why it revved.
Right. Okay. Oh yeah. I didn't take my foot.
Here's this fella that's broken down again. Off we go. He's obviously broken down,
That's so funny, that.
isn't it?